I just want to do a quick overview. Underseat compressor mount. To the left here, that's the airbags. Inflate, deflate, left, right. And this is the 4-tire fill system. Comes out to each side. Also have individual hose with just a cheapie from probably Harbor Freight to fill tires when needed. Everything's plumbed, wired through the ARB links, which is also controlled from the dashboard. Underneath we have our pass-throughs to go to the airbags. We have a remote mount for the intake air filters on the compressor. Accessories attached. Yes, it's ugly. It's all trial and error until everything is sorted and finalized. But just something to keep in mind when looking to add, modify, change your underseat air compressor mount. You do need new brackets to accommodate all of the fittings and relay management systems, and then moving on to all of your accessory fittings to go with that.